Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another project for you. Today it's another kitchen project and another set of pan protectors. These are in the shape of a flower. Great for protecting those pots, pans, and glass bowls, whether you're at home, in the kitchen, out in the motorhome or the trailer, or even if you're moving. With pinked edges, these go together pretty darn fast, and you'll find the more you wash them, the fluffier they get. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the blog at debsdays.com for many more sewing and crafting projects. And stop by my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs, where you'll find the written version of many of my projects, with step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and in many cases, printable templates. And since these are digital patterns, you can download them, print them off, and get started on your next sewing project today. I've added links in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric, cotton batting, pinking shears, and the printable templates. First, cut out the templates and tape them together as indicated on the pages. Place the piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place the layer of batting and align it with the shorter end of the fabric. Fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Baste all the layers together. Arrange the templates on top of the fabric stack at least half an inch from the edge of the fabric and from each other. Depending on the templates used, you should be able to get 3 to 4 flowers in half a yard of fabric. Pin the flower templates in place and rough cut around the templates. Stitch the pan protectors together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Make sure your needle's in the down position when pivoting and take your time on the curves. Then remove the templates and use pinking shears to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching lines. Use extra caution when you're cutting the inside of the petals. Center the circle template in the middle of the pan protector and pin it in place. Stitch the circle by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. And do the same with all your pan protectors. And just like that, just that fast, you have a set of pan, pot, glass bowl protectors in the shape of a flower. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the blog at debsdays.com and visit my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. See you next time with another project.